Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good day and peace be upon you all. On behalf of your brothers, sisters, and friends in the United Arab Emirates, we send greetings to all the people of Pakistan. As we celebrate the United Arab Emirates' 50th National Day in your great country, we express our admiration of your success in building a peaceful and prosperous nation. Our two countries share many common interests and values. Our political, commercial, and cultural linkages are deeply rooted in confidence, trust, and brotherhood. The knowledge, talent, energy, and goodwill of the many Pakistani citizens who have lived and worked in the UAE have benefited our country immensely and have strengthened our friendship and brotherhood. We in the UAE are proud to call Pakistan our brother and our sister and our friends. Both of our two countries can find strength in a friendship based on the shared values of human progress, tolerance, fraternity, dialogue, cooperation, and peaceful coexistence. They are values that unite and strengthen us and provide a strong base for the excellent relations between our peoples. They are values that I have experienced firsthand in my many visits to Pakistan, which I consider my second home. I am proud to observe that the successful relations between our two countries contribute greatly to the regional progress and stability. I am confident that the bonds between Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates will continue to strengthen and that we will move forward together toward a more peaceful and prosperous world. Together, we will continue to promote peace and cooperation around the globe. We will continue to foster an optimistic outlook on the future of our world, a future that holds peaceful coexistence and prosperity for all. With the wisdom of our leaders and the resolve of our people, we will continue to meet the challenges of our times with a spirit of creativity, optimism, and hope that can help improve our world and secure the welfare, happiness, and success of mankind. Long live Pakistan. Long live the United Arab Emirates. And long live the strong relations of brotherhood and friendship between our two countries.